Is this your next 3D print product? Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about this product here. This is a product I purchased online from Temu, and it is a little cruise ship with an island inside of a acrylic box or acrylic looking box. And as you can see, the boat floats up and down. The liquid inside simulates waves. It's a really nice looking product. And it can give you a lot of ideas on what you can print. As you can see, it has a solid base on the bottom. It can be flipped over. And what you can tell right away is that this is a pretty simple product to make. But there are some considerations that you need to pay attention to before you try to model or print a product like this in your own shop. So as always, these are merely for inspiration. Put your own spin on something, come out with something unique and new for you and for your audience. So for instance, if it's not a cruise ship, or this particular idea, it could be a particular type of cruise ship that you enjoy. Could be a yacht, could be a little fishing boat. It can be something that encapsulates memories. It can be something that's personalized for each person so that they can remember a time they took a trip on their cruise, or a family vacation, or an anniversary. But what you'll need, of course, filament. And you'll need two liquids that have different densities so that one floats above the other. You're gonna have to play around with this. So as soon as you print your products, you're gonna have to play around with getting the right buoyancy for your items so that they float and that they always maintain their consistency regardless of how you move it around. So that's going to take a little bit of time finding the right mix and type of liquid that you use. This is likely oil-based, oil and water-based, but it could be some other type of compound that's used. You can do your research on that. But otherwise, everything else is fairly simple and reproducible. Now, as for the acrylic container on the outside, or acrylic-looking container, you could easily shop for, purchase those items. You could also attempt to make it out of 3D printed filament that's transparent. There are some tutorials online on how you can give something a glass-like finish or shine to the plastic that you are printing out. There are some tutorials available on YouTube that you can look at that give it a glass-like finish and transparency, or opaqueness, more transparency than it normally would have. So hopefully that takes your 3D printing projects to another level. Now, as far as iterations on this, spins on this, think like a pirate ship. Think of different things that you can create to create your own print shop based on that idea or concept. But yeah, this is one product that could be created. You have to be careful of shipping, etc. But yeah, make sure that it's airtight. Everything works good. Test it thoroughly before you start selling. Prototype. But yeah, this is an idea for a 3D print shop business. It's not necessarily functional, so that's one thing to know. This is more of a gift item, a gift for him, for her, for Christmas, or for an event, something notable like that. So this is not functional, not used for every day, but it is something that may be displayed, like in an office, for instance, or on someone's dresser or their stand. Other products like that, we'll discuss in a future video. Thanks for watching.